Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can import beats to BandLab. Now first I'm going to go to a BandLab account, and after that you want to log in into your BandLab account. Then after that you want to click on this plus button in the top right that says create, then click on it, and then after that you want to click on new project. Now after that this will pop up. You just need to wait a few seconds. It's loading. Now what you need to do is you want to click here where it says import audio here at the bottom, and then select the beat, and then that's how you can add it here. I'm going to click on this. Now you can make changes to the beat. You can also add another beat by clicking on this plus button. You can add another beat here, and you can listen to it here and then make changes here. After that you want to click on publish here if you want to publish the beat. You can name the project, whatever, new project for example. Here I'm going to select the house. You can add the description, added my voice, looking for example someone, like click on, you can also click on advanced settings. You can make changes here, and after you are done click on publish. So if you want to upload from, I would say, from another platform, you can do that. You can do the same step, just download the file and then click on this plus, and then you can add the beat here. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and tell me exactly your question, and I will try to reply to you. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you in the next tutorial.